Hi, I'm going to show you the 3 most analytics that you need to look at to grow on YouTube. So let's start with this video right here. Actually, now let's go back. Go to analytics. Okay, let's go to nighttime. Alright. This is just my overview. So the first one is click-through rate. And that is how much people click on your video when they see it. So I'm collecting click-through rate, and this is impressions. So if you got a lot of impressions and a high click-through rate on one of your videos, then that's how you get lots of views. The other one is engagement. For this, I'm going to show you one of my videos. Or I could just go here and start going back. So where's that video at? Right here. In the analytics. I believe this is the one. That's where it ain't. So I'll show you what you need to do to get a good audience retention. So we go here, and I want you to look at the intro. And this tells me that viewers are still watching around a 30-second mark. Or let's go to a different video. Here we are. I do believe this is the one. Okay, what's the second click-through rate? 5.5. Overview. If I can't find it, I'll just tell you, and I found it. If you got more than 10 views, and you see this right here, continue segment. And that means they watched, all your viewers watched it to here, without dropping off. And that's what you want to do to your whole video. If you can do that, maximize your click-through rate, with thumbnail, get good audience retention, and bing bada boom, you got massive views, and now subscribers, and the only way to making money. If you want me to do a video on that, and later on, let me know in the comments below. So yeah, that's how you get views, and the actual proof. So yeah, bye y'all.